Hello friends, I'm going to show you some magic. For this, I am taking this bowl, and in this bowl you can see I'm keeping 5 rupees coin over here. Can you see this 5 rupees coin? Now I'm moving this bowl away over here so that this coin will just disappear. Now this coin is not at all appearing over here. I'm going to pour the water. I'm going to pour this water slowly. Just see what happens when I'm pouring the water. See, I'm pouring the water slowly in it. You can see coin has started appearing slowly inside it. Now slowly coin is becoming clearly visible over here. Can you see this coin now? See, this is not a simple magic. Basically, for every magic there is a science behind it, and the science over here is a refraction of light. Let us see the explanation for this activity. Initially, this coin was visible to us. Why? Because rays coming from the coin were straight away entering to our eye. When we moved the cup away from us, coin disappears. Why? Because the rays coming from the coin were not able to enter our eye. When we pour a water, coin started appearing once again. This is because the rays which were coming from the coin bent at water air interface and started entering to our eye. This is due to phenomena called as refraction. Because of this only, coin appears to be lifted little upward. Now you must have understood the phenomena called refraction by observing the two videos. Now let us try to understand the reason behind this phenomena. This is due to change in the velocity of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. The velocity of light in vacuum is maximum. The ratio of velocities of light in two media is constant. This constant is called refractive index. The ratio of velocity of light in medium 1 to the velocity of light in medium 2 is called refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Here is the formula. Refractive index is equal to velocity of light in medium 1 upon velocity of light in medium